The best tips and tricks for your LG OLED TV are available today, as always, after the intro. Let's go. We have an LG OLED TV here. In my case it is the model series 2022, and today we want to show you the top tips and tricks for this one. This instruction works for some LG normal for the LED TV as well. You have to try whether it works the same for your TV. Otherwise it works for the older OLED models as well as for the current model. And we start with the number 1. If you want to speed up the start menu or the start behavior of your TV, then it is very easy. If you press the home button, the TV takes longer to start, because everything is loaded here in the background. To deactivate the whole thing, press the gear button. Then you switch to the settings. Gear button, all settings. Scroll down in general. Here is system, additional settings. And next there is this point here, start time settings. We select this and remove the tail here. And with home promotion we also remove the whole thing. Thus, the TV will start faster and react faster if you want to start an application here. Number 2 is brightness. To do this, go back to the settings. All settings. Then in general, OLED maintenance next. Then there is self-care of the device. Here you have the next point, energy saving and energy saving step. And that should be it. Now you are pointed out that it can lead to a higher power consumption. Confirm with OK, and we have now set the brightness. Number 3 is the LG logo. When you turn off your TV, this LG logo appears. If you want to remove it, there is a hidden menu here. To do this, switch on the TV and press the mute button 3 times in a row and this menu appears. And here there is this point, display LG logo when the TV is turned off. Turn that off. At the same time you don't have a signal picture here either. You can also deactivate that. Number 4. We will rename the TV. This is important if you want to connect with different devices. Then it is helpful if the name of the TV is written here. Again settings. Then all settings. In general, select devices here. TV management. TV information next. Click on device name. And here you can now change the name. You can give it any name you want. I will rename it to Technic Power. And with one click on enter you have renamed your TV. Number 5. We will create our own menu here. To do this, again press the gear key and scroll down. And here is the editing mode. We click on it now. And now we can choose a point here that we don't want and can click it away. For example, this one here. I almost never use this one. That's why I click on it and say delete. Either you can move it up. This is also possible. Or you delete this point. So delete with X. Confirm the whole thing and it's gone. At the same time, we can add a menu item here by clicking on this plus. And here we can now add a menu item, such as automatic volume. And I've already added that. The next point is how you can quickly edit your home dashboard and the input sources. To do this, press this button next to the microphone and hold it down. Then you see the home dashboard here. Here you can see everything that is connected or which sources are available here. We need these 3 points here. We click on it here, Edit Inputs, and here we can rename the HDMI sources as soon as we click on them and give them a name. This is also possible. As I said, you can quickly edit the input sources here. If you want to jump back and forth between 2 different sources quickly, you just have to press the home button twice in a row. I have YouTube here, but I want to go back to the home button, to the home page. Just press, I want to go back. Press the home button twice again quickly and I come back to my YouTube window. And I can do that here without any problems. And that's very easy. So we come to the next tip. Hold down the 0 key on the remote control for a long time and then this window comes up here. Quick Access Edit. That means you can edit your own menu here. If I go to number 1 here and click Add, then I can say 1. YouTube. As an example, 2. I want to have the web browser. And on 3. I want to have Netflix. That means if I hold down the 1 key for a long time now, then I can start YouTube. 2. Web browser and 3. Netflix. So let's try it out. I hold down the 1 key and you can already see YouTube. 2. Web browser and 3. Netflix. That is the great feature with the quick access. You can also edit that by going to this paper cup here. And so you can delete the whole thing. Up to 8 different quick access points are possible here. These were the top tips for your LG OLED TV. As I said, many of them also work for the normal TV. Try it out. Do you have any more tricks for us? Then let us know. Do you have any questions? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you will always be up to date. Technik Bausak. Thanks for watching and goodbye.